How to add multiple items to your cart on Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to add multiple or more than one item on your cart, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto one of the food that you want to order, just like this. Then simply tap onto one of these and tap onto plus button right here. Tap on it and simply tap on to add one to cart, just like this. And now you can see it has been added to cart. Now simply choose another food, just as the process that I have showed you just right now. Now tap on to plus button and tap on to add, just like this. Now you can see 2 food items has been on the cart. Now do the same process for other foods as well, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can add multiple items to your cart on the Uber Eats. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.